It's time for road trip.
A lot is going on from Enugu to Benin. Yes, this is one trip that I've seen that driving interstate like this, you have quite a lot of projects going on as you go on this trip. So we'll be unveiling some of this project to you as we go on this ride from Enugu all the way down to Benin City. Yes, it's an interesting ride and it's going to be about 5 hours drive. You know, the scary part of this drive has always been the Asaba axis of this road, because for everyone who wants to embark on this path to Benin or to Lagos, the Asaba axis is one area that they are usually scared of. Yes, the last time we used it in January, we saw some skeletal work going on within that environment, and all of that we'll be checking out as we go on this ride. First off, within the Enugu axis, of course, you saw some presence of work. We already know that one lane is fully functional, even though we still skip lanes from one to another within the Enugu Onitsha Expressway. But now they are trying to fix the other lane totally so that the dualized carriageway can be fully functional. Though they migrated all of us to a very bushy part, but fair and good, work is going on. That's the most beautiful part of it. Let's hope that within a short while, most of these projects will be completed and we can enjoy a smooth ride to Awka and to Onitsha. So if you have used this part in recent time, let us know if you experience the same thing just like us. Like I said before, now we usually skip lanes from one to another, I think from Awka, just a single lane is walking all the way from Awka to Onitsha, but they are walking on the other lane just like I mentioned. So you can keep seeing us skipping lanes as we continue on this ride. So I can't wait for them to complete it. And good thing as well, the lane that is functional, expansion work is also being done is on certain sections. So as you can see already, we're already in Awka. So now driving to Onitsha from Enugu, that will take you up to about 3 hours before now, is so short because a greater portion of the road is good. Yes, it's a free drive. You know, though the military that they took away from the road, they are all coming back with their barricade and all, still causing traffic within the road. But by and large, it's still a free course movement that we're still having within that axis. So we've left Awka now. So just around the Unizik axis, we're progressing down toward Onitsha. Yes, so for this Onitsha axis that we'll be getting into pretty soon, I don't know what is causing some blockage within that road, because the dual carriageway can actually take you all the way till you get to Okuzo. But I don't know why they blocked one of the lane for us to be using one. But on this day, something bad happened. An accident happened on one lane and they had to open the other lane, and the traffic was crazy that very day. So if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlene TV. Kindly do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bells so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. Do well to let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's know what you think about this drive, and if you've done it before to Lagos or to Benin precisely, do let us know in the comment section. Of course, you know Stane Oye, a very popular fuel station in Awka that houses both a restaurant and also is a very popular fuel station in the city of Awka. So we are exiting Awka now towards Onitsha, where we are looking at the road I just talked about. So one lane is open now, you can drive on. And initially, before now, we usually go on the ground floor on the third flyover in Awka, but now you can go on the top of the flyover and continue your ride till you join the diversion ahead of you. But just like I mentioned, there was an accident along this path and everybody was brought back to the lane that is good. So this is just a disclaimer. I don't know why they are blocking that lane, but I think both lanes should be open till we get to Okuzo, where we can join the single lane road to avoid the continuation of the work going on that part. So I think that will be better. It will ease traffic, it will reduce the accident that we are seeing within that specific axis of the road. So Guys, do what to help us share this video so that relevant authority or those in charge of walking the road can even get to see it, because for me, I don't know why that road is blocked at all. So do what to help us share. Of course, we'll be sharing some of this other content and some we don't upload here on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, which also have our presence. You can do what to check us out there at Alin TV and also follow us to grow our followers. So one interesting thing I also noticed just before the last flyover in Awka, they're trying to expand the road as well, just like you saw on the screen. So road expansion work is also going on within that axis. So this is the point I was telling you about, that you have to get to this point, you join the single lane road again and continue your ride to Awka. So at this point, we observe the blockage. The gridlock was already building. A drastic accident happened and we had to go on the other lane that was blocked from the initial diversion that we are coming from. So just imagine they allowed us continue a free flow from that first diversion. I believe some of these accidents can be avoided. So all of the traffic was cut out of this video. It was a terrible traffic, and we shall past, and currently we are in Onitsha. So we hope that the other portions left from the Okuzo towards where the Anambra airport is, when all of those sessions are fixed, I believe we'll be having a better ride within that axis, So everyone is advised to be careful when driving within Awka and Onitsha, because except that other road is open, it can be very, very risky because of some of the diversions and curves that are within that area. So if you intend to drive within that part, please maintain caution and also try to drive at minimal speed. So we're in Awka now, Onitsha now rather, and about getting on the second Niger bridge. Yes, as we get on the second Niger bridge, we'll be entering Asaba to see the extent of the work going on. We hope we don't encounter traffic again in Asaba, because that road was very, very bad before now. But palliative work has been done. One of the sessions is being worked on, and we hope that in our next trip towards this direction, a greater portion of it should have been done and open for use. Of course, trying to enter into Asaba, the police presence and all, we always delay you slightly a bit. So we left there and currently we're at Coca Junction, where the other lane is being worked on, just like I mentioned. So everybody is using a single lane road currently within this axis, and from the look of things, the traffic is moving. A lot of FRS presence, a lot of the traffic controllers in Delta State presence within there, ensuring that there is no gridlock at all. So we left Asaba without a single hold up, and good thing that the portions that were bad has been graded and all, so we passed there within the shortest possible time. There was no delay at all. So if you are traveling, don't be scared. Asaba is very, very free. So we continue our ride till we got into Benin City. Of course, the entrance into Benin, the story is known by all, so that you'll be seeing pretty soon. But work has commenced on the road, but just on one of the lanes, that we'll see if we can spotlight to you by the time we are entering the bypass proper. And if you've not seen our video on the work currently coming in on the Agbo axis, Agbo Road of Benin, you can check our video catalog for that video, so you see the extent to which the work has gone. So if you have watched till now and you enjoy videos like this and you love to see more of this kind of videos from us, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, always thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. We'll be looking forward to your feedback, your remarks about this trip in the comment section, and tell us your own experience as well in the comment section. And this is the Ramat Park flyover project currently going on in Benin. Like I said, we have all of this clip available on our channel. We'll see you guys in our next video.